I want to take a look at the timeline of early June 2016 when this meeting took place. On June 3rd, a short time after Donald Trump secured the delegates to become the apparent Republican nominee, the intermediary, Rob Goldstone, reached out with an offer of Russian government support against Hillary Clinton. Trump Jr. replied, "If it's what you say, I love it, especially later in the summer." On June 7th, 2016, Donald Trump made this promise.
I am going to give a major speech on probably Monday of next week, and we're going to be discussing all of the things that have taken place with the Clintons. I think you're going to find it very informative and very, very interesting.
So 4 days later, Donald Trump. Okay, what's next, Megan?
On June 8th, the website Wikileaks sent its first tweet. That account was later identified as a forum for Russian military intelligence to release stolen data.
So that was the next day. How interesting. Okay.
On June 9th, top campaign aides Donald Trump Jr., Jared Kushner, and Paul Manafort met with the Russian lawyer Natalia Veselnitskaya on the premise she had damaging information about Hillary Clinton.
Okay, wait a second. This is moving so quickly,
yeah,
and these dates are so compressed. I'm confused. So
on
you're
June
saying,
12th,
hold on the 3rd,
yeah,
a promise of a Kremlin-connected lawyer to help destroy Hillary Clinton and elect Donald Trump. 4 days later, Trump promises bad information on Hillary. The next day, Wikileaks is set up, and then the next day they have their meeting.
On June 12th, Julian Assange announced that Wikileaks had obtained emails related to Hillary Clinton, pending publication. On June 14th, 2016, the Washington Post reports that Russian government hackers had penetrated the computer network of the DNC.
June the 14th.
On June 15th, Guccifer 2.0, also later identified as a tool of Russian military intelligence, contacts the website The Smoking Gun to claim credit for the DNC hack.
Wow. Okay, Mike Barnicle, a lot of things happened between June 3rd